Yes, yes. Okay, so the cotangent we can do real quick as cosine over sine. And we'll leave our sine and do sine over 1. All right, so then what's going to happen is your sines are going to cancel. What do we have left?
Our cosine equals cosine.
Yes, and we've got it. Our cosine theta equals our cosine theta. There we go. Okay, now let's look at our second one. This one will be a little bit longer. Let's see if we can get done. So we're going to use purple. Let's go with purple. All right, what do we have? We have two fractions, and in order to add the two fractions together, we have to have a common denominator. So what's going to represent a 1 minus cosine theta, and what's going to represent a 1 plus cosine theta? Both of them, right? So you're just kind of going to cross them. So over here, you're going to multiply this with this denominator, and this one will be multiplied with this denominator, right? So let's do that. So let's take this one. We're going to multiply this one over here. So that would be our 1 plus cosine theta. And then we're going to take this one and multiply it with this one. And then what's in between them? The plus. So put your plus in there and then multiply. And then we would have 1 minus cosine theta over your common denominator. Okay. Look at your numerator. What can we do? What happens to your cosine thetas? They cancel out, so you have 1 plus 1 or 2. So you're going to have 2 over the 1 minus cosine theta times the 1 plus cosine theta. Okay, I have two binomials. What do I need to do to two binomials? Multiply them using my FOIL. This is a difference of two squares, so our a squared minus b squared, right? So 1 times 1 would just give me 1 minus my cosine squared. Okay, I'm just doing my a squared plus my a squared minus my b squared. Okay, all right. Wow, well, what's in the denominator? 1 minus cosine squared equals what? Sine squared. So I'm going to just replace that with 2 over sine squared theta. Are we almost to where we need to get? Yes, because 1 over sine squared theta is what? Is the cosecant. So we're going to change this back to the cosecant, you see, and there we have it. So that will change us back. So I'll still have the 2 times my 1 over sine squared theta, which would just be the cosecant.